Chapter 2, Setting the Page. In this chapter, we are going to prepare a seminar report in LibreOffice Writer. Before that, we have to recollect the Malayalam typing. First, complete the following table by finding out the letters used to coin the compound letters. First letter Ka. To type Ka, first type the letter Ka, then the symbol, then again the letter Ka. Let's do that in LibreOffice Writer. First, open Office, LibreOffice Writer. Now, Writer window is open. Then take the keyboard layout. First, we can type the letter Ka. First type Ka by pressing K key in the keyboard. Then the symbol. Then again K. Change the keyboard layout into Malayalam. Now Ika is typed. Next, the letter Mba. First type Ma, then symbol, then Pa. Next letter Iksha. First type Ka, then symbol, then Sha. Now look at the following table and understand keys used to arrange Chillaksharangal. To type this key is used and all other Chillaksharangal is explained here. Next, we can go to activity 2.1. Let's digitize the seminar paper. First, open the word processor and open the Word file that is already given in school resources folder. The file is opened here. We have to format this. We have to format the seminar report as given in this picture, a formatted page. We have to change the background color, font, adjust the size of the font, then color of the font, then border of the paragraph should be done. All these formattings we have to do. After opening, save the document into your class folder. Select 9A folder, 9A or B, then select your own folder, then give the file name, then save. In the menu, select first select the heading Malayala Charukada, then click center horizontally button. Now it is bring to center. Then select the whole paragraph. Select format menu, then paragraph. You can see indent and spacing. By using line spacing, we can arrange the spacing between lines. Here line spacing is given as 1.5. Now spacing between lines is increased. Again take the format menu. You can see spacing above and below paragraph. Above paragraph is given as 0.40 and below is 0.40. Then click OK. Now we are going to split this single paragraph into 3. Now 3 paragraphs are created. Then select the whole document. Then format paragraph. In the indent you can see before text, after text and first line. We are going to change the first line as 1 centimeter. That means the first line of the paragraph is leave a space of 1 centimeter. Now select the whole paragraphs and again select the paragraph formatting. In the alignment tab, select justified. Now you can see the right side of all the lines are arranged in straight line. Now select format, then page. Then select the page tab. You can see margins. Margin is the space between this page ending and the line. Now the left margin is increased as 3. Paper format here is A4. You can choose orientation as portrait or landscape. Again select page. We can set the portrait itself. You can see the print preview. Then select area tab. Here you can change the background color of the page. Select the suitable color. Then click apply. Now the paragraph background color is changed. Next activity, let's provide borders. For that, click on the borders tab in the page style window. From the line arrangement option, you can select the portion where you wish to provide borders. Then select style width color to be given to the border from line menu. Again take the document, then click format, then page. Now page style window is opened. In that, select borders tab. In the line arrangement, you can see line arrangement and line section. In the line arrangement section, select 4 all four side borders. Then select the suitable style. Then you can change the width. Now the border is set like this. You can set the spacing to contents. Now the spacing between line and contents is set. You can change the border color. Then select the shadow style. Then click apply. Then OK.